राजू सोए राजू का ये बॉल और बिल्कुल पेनल्टी यहाँ पर मिलेगी। पेनल्टी स्पॉट में बिल्कुल आर्म स्पेस शरीर से बाहर था, इसी चीज की बात करते हुए सोहन। This is suddenly not the kind of you are taking on with the match official Raymond. You need to remember he is on a yellow card. Raymond is also in a yellow card. The rightly called by Sohanlal, that was stretched out. A penalty nevertheless for Muslim, and Muslim might be going to get the chance to hit. They're going to get the chance to pull back one goal. Surely looks like one of the biggest opportunity has been represented for Muslim and Muslim. Susil, who else? The responsibilities on his shoulders. Susil Martin, number 19, has to hit the number 1 goal for them. Can they able to change the scoreline? Can they able to pull that 1 goal back? Susil in the goal post. He is Saurabh Mehta for Nagdoha. And gets ahead of it. Initially Susil scores. Scoreline changes 2-1. SS Nagdoha 2, Muslim and Muslim.